Nari kutaka kuba magisia kwa inye ikumi. Because you know when we are talking about MCS.
Yes.
Ni wala to wachaka boli bwa insepi. Abantu bali maite na bali ground. Bali na abantu kabisa bali in touch.
Yes.
Well, you find that most roads are not passable, particularly in this time of rains. Nembule utuga wana bokora abantu bakobeke chibicha kabisa buna bako libaita. Meaning that miake ya nemegima mora mubabege tibya nyo bale kobeka liyo liko banyorokerereti.
All right.
At one point yo na golete biragite bingi sana. Nyaribo. There was such a project, I think. To karora jigari chindene. Jikoro kunga kiwano. Jitiba. Jiko jimo kieme changale ne chibeke chigari. Yani jipara. But as we most of general observation is most roads in Chiro waraki. Jiro eteka. And that's another problem.
All right.
Yeah. What else can we say about the members of parliament?
Yes.
Gisairo generally is doing well. Recently na install stima alia kapekera abantu babalia kurwa se principle ya Nyabururu ekorwa kachubeli onse akabeke stima. And he has done well even installing some offices within the county.
Yes.
And some tarmac roads. Right now the road between this place called what? Kemera. Kogenda ucha keroka lakini osokera iga Kerongo. Virongo. Sorry. Virongo. That road is being done and has been done very well. Lereka rukuru kigati ogosoa kigati togo jatown. Aga paye pass kabera
ali nya Musa Eskuru.
Ensa ali nya memiso. Wa danya memisalia what mugonjoro. So you avoid the jam here town. At least some things have been done in what do we call it? Masaba. Gitutu Masaba. Gitutu Masaba, you know, is in Nyamira. Then North Mugirango, we are thinking of a university there. The president has made pronouncements several times that the Nyamira University College should be established. Of course, we can have university.
Yes.
The contractor is on the ground. When the president is coming next week, I'm been told he's coming. That is one of the things I was going to get. And you want to know to Mugrang actually, Kunete Borabu, my like in between. Borabu, I mean, for North Mugrang has done very well because a university is like a county, by the way. Because the moment you establish a university, as I told you last time, that place is completely changed. A university is a game changer. A business in a flourish around because so that place is completely changed, and that is what the member of parliament has done. I think he's being assisted by the member of parliament of West Mugirango. Steve is doing very well also as a establishment of that university. The general ground here in Nyamirangelinga abantu bali generating is it ragitogoyoroka ekeusi etamu na gitogoyoroka etamu ya kabero was married mo. I want to think you understand what I mean.
And to my thing and you nere rogotera.
My to sikutika to ligirina oya leta tuta more one time to development you na botoko be epoko yarora. My day you see something the way you think about it. If I think usariko no move no kwana gento kia think
of course.
Think
yes.